So a completely new feature of iOS 11 is the ability to record your screen. I'm not talking about a screenshot, which is a single image. I'm talking about actual video showing what's going on your iPhone or iPad screen. So in iOS 11, in order to do this, you first need to do a little something in Settings. So let's go into the Settings app. And in the Settings app, we'll go to Control Center. Now here on the iPad the only option I've got is Customize Controls. On the iPhone you find a little more. And one of the controls I need to have there is Screen Recording. So you can see there I already have it added. I could remove it and it goes down to the bottom and then you can see how I add it just by tapping it. And now as long as it's at the top under Include, then I'll have access to this. So now let's go back to the main screen here. And how do we start it? Well, all we need to do is bring up Control Center. So you do that in various ways depending upon your device. On most iOS devices I drag up from the bottom of the screen and I get to the app switcher with the Control Center on the right. On the iPhone X you're going to have to drag down from the upper right corner. Now you'll notice a bunch of buttons there at the bottom. These are buttons that are, some of them are there by default and are always there. They're permanent. Others I've added. They were part of that include list. And the record one is a circle with another circle around it. Now it didn't fit at the bottom so it's in the next row. It's at the top right there. That's the record button. So depending upon how many items you've got there is where you'll see that. But the button looks the same. Now to start recording I just tap it. So now you'll see a red bar at the top showing you that it's recording. You can do whatever you want here. I'm just going to go and swipe between screens. But you can go to a game or do whatever you need to do. To stop you want to go and bring up the Control Center again and then you see the red flashing icon there for the button. Press it and it will stop recording. Now you go to your Photos app to find it. You'll find it in your recent photos. You'll find it under Videos. And you go in and it's just a standard video here. It's just playing back exactly what it saw. So you can do various things with this video. For instance you can edit it and then trim. So you can use the trim controls at the bottom. Same controls you would use if you were taking a video using your iPad's camera. And you can hit done and save the trim video as a new clip. And you can share it, delete it, whatever else you want to do with this video. It's just standard video so you can insert it in other videos you make, use it in iMovie, whatever you want. Of course I'm not using this feature to record this. This is new for iOS 11. For a long time there's been the ability to record your video from the screen of your iPad or iPhone onto your Mac as long as it's connected with a cable. And that's what I'm using to record all these tutorials. But this is different because it allows you to record the screen without any other device around. So you can just record what's going on your iPhone screen or your iPad screen without hooking it up to anything or having any other device available.